Hi guys! Today we're learning how to mix songs on Spotify. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Spotify app. Make sure you are signed in to your Spotify account so all your music loads properly. Now tap on your library at the bottom of the screen. This section contains all your saved playlists, liked songs, albums, and artists. It is the main place where you can manage your music collection. So open it and continue to the next step. Now, choose any playlist that you want to play in a mixed order. Tap on the playlist to open it completely. Inside, you will see all the songs arranged in their normal sequence. This is where we can change the playback order. Now look for the shuffle icon on the playlist screen. Tap on it to enable shuffle mode. Once activated, Spotify will play your songs in a random order instead of following the playlist sequence. This helps create a more varied listening experience. After enabling shuffle, tap the play button to start playback. Spotify will now automatically mix the songs and play them randomly. Depending on your Spotify plan, some playback controls may vary, but shuffle mode will help you enjoy your playlist in a fresh way each time. And that's how you can easily mix songs on Spotify using the shuffle feature. It's a simple option that makes your playlists feel different every time you listen. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more easy music and app tutorials.